Buying equipment as a business. How to make money on used equipment. Demand for used refrigerators, washing machines and televisions has grown in Russia by 15 to 35% over the past 6 months, depending on the type of equipment. Such offers attract buyers with low cost. And for entrepreneurs, the business of selling used household appliances can bring a consistently high income. We will tell you where to look for goods for resale and how to organize this profitable business. What is the essence of the business idea? This is the classic resale scheme. You find a product at a low price. Improve its appearance or technical characteristics. Sell for more. The business idea fits perfectly into the modern eco-concept aimed at reducing CO2 emissions, which you can immediately write about on advertising media. Why would owners of old electronics give it to resellers? Legal entities transfer old office monitors, printers for free, since, according to the law, they are obliged to dispose of such garbage. Individuals use the buying service so that they do not have to personally take out old refrigerators, washing machines to a landfill or search for a buyer for a long time and unsuccessfully on online classifieds boards. Why should ordinary people buy old kettles, microwave ovens, boilers? Firstly, it is cheap, and the quality of some old gadgets is significantly higher than Chinese novelties. Therefore, buying up equipment as a business is a great idea, especially against the backdrop of the suspension of deliveries of a number of assortments to Russia. Secondly, the demand for retro things is actively reviving all over the world. Tamagotchi, set-top boxes. And you have every chance to earn on this fashion trend. How to open a business from scratch, a step-by-step plan of action. The general algorithm of actions that will allow you to turn the purchase of equipment into a business. Register IP. The step is important for compliance with the law, increasing customer confidence. Pick a room. You will need a spacious trading floor for demonstrating goods, a warehouse for storing supplies, a separate room for buying. If you are going to work exclusively online, you only need a warehouse plus a reception room. Hire staff. You need an appraiser, 2 loaders, a sales manager, an accountant, a cleaner. If you plan to pick up equipment directly from customers, buy a van. To restore a non-working product, you need a workshop and, accordingly, experienced craftsmen. Start work. First of all, organize the purchase of used equipment. Place business ads on social networks, on bulletin boards, city stands. Then, when a presentable showcase is assembled, open sales. At the initial stage, you should not be scattered. Concentrate on 1 or 2 areas. For example, selling phones, small appliances for the kitchen, or large appliances. A good selection in a narrow category will attract more buyers than 1 to 2 items in each of them. Business format for buying and reselling equipment, online or offline. Both options have their own advantages, so ideally work both ways. An offline store will simplify the buying process and increase customer confidence. They will be able to inspect and test equipment on the trading floor. An online store will expand the circle of potential buyers and increase profits. Where to get goods for sale. Sources of goods for business on the resale of used household appliances. Individuals attract their attention with ads. Offices contact the office manager directly with a corporate offer. Auctions eBay.com, Auctions, Yahoo! Company, JP. Suppliers of foreign equipment. Some resellers sell goods in bulk. What to do with the purchased item. A used equipment store can simply operate as a resale business. In this case, you will sell the room to protect yourself from theft. And seriously think about store insurance. How to register a business for the resale of household appliances. Enough to open IP. Use the OKVED code 5250 retail sale of used goods in stores. Choose a simplified tax payment system. Before launching a store, it is important to obtain permission from the SES, Rosporivnager, and the Fire Inspectorate. How much does it cost to open a business on the purchase and resale of equipment? The minimum amount of starting capital is 300,000 rubles. This amount will cover the cost of registration, office rent, purchase of shelving, purchase of the first batch of goods. In addition, put money into the budget to pay taxes, utilities, salaries, if such expenses cannot be covered from the proceeds. How much can you earn on old electronics? The net profit of the equipment buying business in cities with a population of 100,000 or more is 50,000 to 80,000 rubles. Ways to increase income. Launch of an extensive advertising campaign, radio, target, contextual ads. Specialization in expensive equipment, fashionable gadgets, for example, laptops, Apple smartphones. Resale of authentic consoles. In order to guarantee not to burn out, you can purchase a ready-made, operating business for buying and reselling old equipment. Altera Invest brokers will quickly select the right option, help you make a purchase and set up workflows.